I hope all of you can hear me. Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
Okay. Okay. So just a minute. Okay. So good afternoon to everyone, and welcome one and all for this valedictory session of AICTE Teaching and Learning Academy sponsored 5 days online faculty development program on capacity building, research methods and effective teaching methodology, which is being organized by Department of Humanities and Social Sciences, National Institute of Technology, Patna. So you'll be surprised to see our expert, Professor Y.M. Deshpande. He is back. I have requested him that, sir, please accept my request and for our validity session. So he has now he's here, and without taking much time, I will hand over to Professor Y.M. Deshpande. Then he will share some words with you. Over to you, sir. Once again, welcome you, sir. And thank you, sir, for accepting my invitation. That I came to know that you just now came from some work, which was also very important. Though and I think participant will be very happy to see you again. So with this, sir, I formally welcome you, and please tell something or you share something to our participant, so that after this program, either this program may help in some extent, or they can learn certain things from your message. So with this, sir, I welcome you, and the floor is yours, sir. Sir, just unmute, sir. Just unmute your audio.
Deepak, am I audible now?
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir. I request all the participants, please on your video so that we can see all of you. We can see also. Please switch on your video. I think this is the last time we can see each other. Please, sir, go ahead, sir.
In fact, there is a very interesting adage in Sanskrit which says, Tata pravashati vidushakaha. It means, like, I know that I must not be invited for the valedictory function. The guest must have skipped. And so my close friend Deepak, he asked me that, sir, will it be possible for you to spare 15 minutes? So anyway, so fortunately, I got my work done, and I'm extremely happy that again I'm having a small dialogue with all of you. Anyway, so I am not making this presentation or a dialogue or a debate or even the lecture. I'm not going to take more than 6 minutes today in this valedictory program. I really enjoyed having the interaction with all of you yesterday. And I appreciate NIT Patna and especially Deepak Bera for a very simple reason, that in this testing challenging time of COVID-19, when you are organizing this type of events on a virtual mode, how difficult it is for you not only to have the listening and the communication with that of the participants, but to have the platform wherein not just as a formality, but a process wherein you can have a very serious, very scientific and very theoretical framework for this 5 days FDP program. Might be a couple of you will be curious, or might be you are completing the paradigm to have the FDP attended as in your credit requirement. But again, let me tell you, in a long run, all those who are present, and I can see about 100 participants, they are present in this valedictory function. You will be having a new beginning, the beginning to make your journey, your trajectory, your path of research more systematic, more scientific. When I did see the topics covered in this FDP, I was really impressed by the scale, topography, and the texture of the topics what Dr. Deepak had selected to make this holistic program more academic, but simultaneously to see to it the applied or the take-home advices of that. So again, I congratulate Deepak Behra and all the participants for this FDP. And as again, I will just wind up with a small story, and I will be just having the blessings with all of you guys. Friends, I will be asking all of you, irrespective whether you are a research scholar or a teacher, there is a series of books called the Chicken Soup for the Soul. So there are about 18 to 20 small books are available. E-books are also available. But these books, irrespective of your domain, you buy the books from your CPDA, or if your institute is not giving CPDA, buy from your own pocket. And these books, they help you to understand the life skills in particular and how to make your life more meaningful in a generic way. So I will have a small story, a favorite story of mine, which usually I share, that how blessed we are as a teachers when we are interacting with our students. So there was this girl, a girl called Matika. Matika was any other girl. She was not intelligent. She was not sharp. She was any other girl. And she was just trying to teach the kindergarten class, the pre-primary class in one of the suburbs in the US, near California. And in the class, there was a boy named Peter. Peter was very mischievous. Peter was very rowdy. Peter was someone who used to create trouble not only for Matika, but for the whole class. Interestingly, when Matika was a teacher, a mathematics teacher in the kindergarten class for Peter, whenever she used to give punishment to Peter, instead of saying sorry, Peter used to say, "Thank you, teacher, for correcting me." This was something very interesting. Instead of saying sorry when he used to be scolded by the teacher, Matika, he used to say, "Thank you, teacher, for correcting me." It happened one day she was really stressed and she found that she couldn't digest the fact dealing with the Peter. So that time she said, "Peter, if you are going to open up your mouth, I am going to put the big X on your mouth." For about 10-15 days, Peter was again a very still very obedient boy with typical hand folds and one finger on his mouth, what we call in Marathi हाताची घडी तोंडाला कुलूप, यानी हाथ के पलटी डाल के मुंह पे उंगली रख के, he was very obedient. But again on 11th minute, again he started making faces hoo ha like this. And interestingly, the boy who was sitting next to Peter, he reported and complained. He said, "Teacher, teacher, Peter is again talking and making faces." Now Martika had to intervene, like she had committed to the class that if Peter talks again, she is going to give the punishment. So again, when the tape was unfolded, the first thing what the Peter did, he said, "Thank you, teacher, for correcting me." Years went back. Same teacher, when again after 6 years, 8 years, they have the program called Bachelors in Education, like what we have B.Ed. The same teacher, she again came to the same class after 9 years. Now all these boys were in their 10th standard of their what we call our SSC exam. They have the 10th board over there, which is being conducted by the college board in US. So that particular day, Matika was not psychologist. Matika was not educationist. Martika was any other mathematics teacher in the class. And interestingly, even though she was not a behavioral scientist, even though she has not attended any FDP where she did learn something about the life skills by Deepak Behra, but then she could learn something that class was stinking, something wrong was there. So on one of the Fridays when the class was to break for the weekend, Matika gave the piece of paper to every one of them. And she said, "This is a piece of paper I'm going to give to all of you. Go home and just write it down. Whatever good things you think about Deepak, about Mariam, about Shrutamita, about Jonla, about Amir, about Nitya, about Pratik, about Abhishek, and about Peter also." The task was very simple. She gave the piece of paper and she said, "Whatever good things you know about the boy, about Deepak, about Mariam, about Peter, just write it down and the job is done." Again, the boys scribbled something on the pieces of paper. They distributed. Again, they gave to Madam. Matika weekend, she prepared templates on a easy pointers or the small pages to all of them. Monday, the first thing when she came to the class, she distributed each and every guy all the good things what the class they talked about it. One for Jonla, one for Preetham, one for Nitya, one for Amir, and one for Deepak, and obviously one for Peter also. And immediately, as if there was a magical wand, it something very interesting happened. The whole class changed. The class which was stinking till Friday, suddenly now the class was booming, blooming, and happy with that of the joy. Oh, one of the boys said, I was not knowing that this girl, she likes me. Oh, I was not knowing that people think that I'm good in maths. Oh, I was not knowing that people know that I'm very hardworking. As if it was a magical wand, again the class changed, and not a single time in that particular academic year, Martika had a problem with the class. Again, teachers are like lighthouses. Students come, they spend their 4 years in the engineering college or 3 years in the humanities college and they break. But teachers are always there as the lighthouses. What we say, pal do pal ka saath hamara, pal do pal ke yarane hai. After 20 years, Martika got married. In the meantime, she left California. She went to New York. Again, she was living a very happy life, and she had also developed in her life. After 20 years, when she came back to meet her ailing parents, it was raining cats and dogs. Her parents had come to pick up at the airport. When they were coming, her father said, you know, Martika, Peter, his parents, they have called us. Peter, Peter, oh, Peter, the same boy who used to say, thank you, teacher, for correcting me instead of saying sorry. Oh, what he's doing. She was curious. She just asked, who was he? She asked. And Martika's parents said, Peter was killed in the Vietnam War. Today is the funeral, and we have to go to attend the funeral of a Peter. For a teacher, for any teacher, or for any person who is adult to go and attend the funeral of a student is a very painful thing. But as he was once upon a time a favorite student of Martika, and she had already had a beautiful life, she went for the funeral. Again, it was drizzling, a very melancholic, bad patch over there. The priest was humming the last rituals. The mortuary artist was there. The wreath was being placed on that typical coffin. At that time, Martika could not stop crying. When she was just murmuring the prayer, at that time, Peter's co-cadet came. Madam, are you Peter's ninth grade mathematics teacher? He used to talk many things about you. She was very surprised. He was any other student in the class, and then again the people, they said, oh, the co-cadet came when the handsome Peter was lying in the coffin of that 6 feet Peter. He said, madam, Peter used to talk a lot things about you. Again, when she entered in that lobby, Peter's parents said, madam, when Peter was killed in the Vietnam, this was the same piece of paper which we got in his wallet. And when she opened, it was the same piece of paper, fold, unfold 1,000 times, now turned yellow. What she had given to Peter 20 years back, what all good things they know about Peter. And that piece he had retained all the time with him. When she couldn't stop crying, Peter's classmates from the same school, they came running and they said, ma'am, that same piece of paper, I got it laminated. It is in my drawing room. Oh, that same piece of paper, I pasted in my wedding album. Oh, the same piece of paper, it is there in my office lobby. And all these people, they said, that piece of paper, what good compliments, what good achievements, and what all rapport they thought about it, they changed their life. So friends, this type of FDPs, they usually are impetus, they are the stimuli for all of you to create good memories, to have the good networking, and see to it that you as a teacher has a very interesting, successful way where we will be speaking not only to our colleagues, but with a very interesting fraternity called students. So I bless all of you, and again I request and I say thank you to Deepak that again he called me for 11th hour to have a small dialogue with you, and I usually like to interact with all of you. And I request Deepak, in fact, my age permits me to have the order. So next FDP, don't go for online. Let's have the offline FDP. I will like to come to Patna. So congratulations to Deepak for successful conduction of this FDP, and blessings to all those who attended this FDP in a large number. Thank you, all of you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Okay, I think we are heading towards the end of the session, and I need to discuss few things before we wind up this program. And I request all the participants to unmute yourself and share your experience throughout these 5 days, what you learned, where we can improve so that our next FDP can be done in that way. So I request our all the participants, if they want to share certain things, they just switch on the video, camera, and also the audio, and share your experience throughout these 5 days. Please. I request the participants to say something, because since last 5 days, our experts are delivering and you are listening. Now the floor is yours. You need to say certain something. So I am requesting everyone.
Good afternoon, sir.
Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. This is Preetha. Actually, I'm in college, so the whole face is covered. Sorry for that. Actually, the whole of this 5-day session, it was extremely useful. Actually, extremely useful in a way which we need to interpret by doing or by implementing in our profession actually. So for me, one of the resource persons said learning, not one of the resource persons, all the resource persons said that learning is a never ending process, it's a continuous process. So whatsoever the FDPs or the workshop I have attended, so I have been saying this thing, learning for me it's a continuous process, sir. So from this FDP I have learned lots and lots of things. So मैं हाथ जोड़कर सभी resource persons को, सभी बड़े जनों को नमन करती हूँ, sir. Thank you a lot for arranging this particular FDP. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you.
And last but not the least, sir, the organizers. Yes, I just thank all the organizing team for arranging such a particular FDP for the Pan India participants. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you so much.
May I also give my feedback, sir?
Yes, please go ahead.
Dr. Shohini Banerjee. I'm from Kolkata. I'm an associate professor at IIS WBM Kolkata, sir. Sir, I'm very grateful to all of you at NIT Patna, particularly to Professor Deepak Behera for continuously answering our endless queries with utmost patience. Also to Madam Mariam Sabri and all other organizers. Like, it has been a wonderful hermeneutic and heuristic experience for us to attend this August conference. And I'm really grateful to the organizers at NIT Patna for this very fruitful FDP, and also the resource persons were outstanding, and the coordination, the organization, it was just flawless, despite, as our resource person in the valedictory session just mentioned, despite the incessant difficulties of the pandemic situation, like all the sessions, they were very helpful, and the PPTs particularly, they were extremely helpful, and we are very, very grateful to. And thanks a lot to Atal and to my co-participants as well. And thank you so much for giving us the opportunity and also for selecting us. Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you, all of you.
Thanks.
Good evening, sir.
Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Yes, please go ahead. Go ahead.
Sir, I'm Dr. Sadanand Sahu. Sir, I'm extremely thankful to you, all people, those who have organized, those who have thought about that type of that FDP, especially Deepak sir, because Deepak Behera sir, and I'm extremely thankful, sir, because your scheduling and arrangement of the subjects, sir, it is very vital for us. It's very vital for us. So, like
I'm sorry, sir. Can I interrupt?
Like research proposal,
sir, आप अपना camera on
Diwakar sir,
करेंगे, please.
Rakesh Raman sir.
Rahul sir,
Yes, tell me, sir.
आप अपना camera on कर देंगे, please.
Actually, I am in the desktop. I am just audio is there, not video is there. Sorry, ma'am.
Go ahead. No issue. Go ahead.
Okay, after that I will open my mobile. Okay. Okay. Thank you, ma'am. So especially the topics you have chosen, sir, it's no doubt it is that it will give the it will enlighten like anything, sir. Just it ignite those who are in the field of the teaching. It must ignite them. It must ignite them, sir. So like that topic that Diwakar sir, that research proposal and thesis writing, and especially Rakesh Raman sir, then Ramakar Ajha sir, and then Sukhdev Singh sir, Sukant Naskar sir, then Nalin Bharati, Sukhdev Singh sir, then Rakesh Raman, Y.M. Deshpande sir, very influential speech like that. And so, and at the end, sir, that is Joe Prakash sir, all have performed their best, sir, and no doubt, sir, being we are in the field of teaching, we are the academician. So, though we know the many things, but sir, it is a great platform to us to learn many things, because in the changing scenario of the education from old education policy, new education, the transformation is like anything to help us, sir, if we can utilize somehow or some extent. So no doubt it will be great benefit, and it will be great fruitful to that FDP, and extremely I am indebted to all of you organizing committee and the experts, sir. Thank you, sir, because sir, later on I will talk to you because I have your personal number, sir.
Okay.
Thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Go ahead. What want to say?
Sir, I just want to add something.
Good evening, sir.
The last PPT was extremely invigorating, and
I think some problem with
they
the
and the session is absolutely you got the
Thank you. Anyone else? This is the last time we are meeting.
Hello,
so
sir.
I think yes, please.
Sir. I want to thank you, sir. It was so nicely organized, sir. The FDP. What we expected by seeing the title capacity building. So I thought how we can able to build up our capacity, and it was very useful for us, especially who are now in the initial stages of our career. We have to get so many promotions. We want to grow in our future. So it was so useful because all the senior faculty were there, and they have given very nice presentations, and they have shared very nice experiences. The seniors, especially, I was very much impressed by the senior faculty who introduced this various research methodologies, how to form research questions and all, which are going to be very useful in our future life. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, sir.
I would like
you.
to thank organizing committee, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you. Anyone want to say? For we conclude?
ঠিক আছে বাবা এরকম টার্গেট দিয়ে
Anyone else?
Yes, sir. Good evening, sir.
Please go ahead.
Good evening, sir.
Good evening. Go ahead.
Yeah. Respected Dr. Deepak Bera, sir. Sir, firstly, I want to tell a lot of thanks to you for building my concepts on these research-based methodology, because after learning these 4-5 days, my areas in research methodologies will be developed more beneficially. So I want to congratulate you, sir, and a lot of thanks to you for developing my in build these types of building. Thank you so much, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you.
Sir, good morning, sir.
Yes, yes, please go ahead.
Sir,
Go
sir
ahead,
myself,
go ahead.
Sridhar, sir.
Yes, go ahead.
Sir, I'm talking from, sir, I'm from KITS Warangal, sir.
Okay.
Kalki Institute of Technology and Science, Warangal. I'm working as assistant professor. Sir, I'm very thanks to NIT partners for carrying such a good program, sir. Really, the topics which are discussed, so that about plagiarism and out-based education. So this is a very useful topic for the teaching faculty. So really, I've enjoyed very lot, sir. So once again, thankful to the NIT partner carrying such a good, wonderful session. Thanks, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, thank you, thank you. Anyone else?
Sir, good evening, sir.
Yes, sir, please go ahead.
Sir, I'm Dr. in the
Yes,
south of Tamil Nadu.
yes, sir.
Thanks for the wonderful opportunity to give a feedback here. And I am heading the Department of English from Ayanadar Jani Ammal College, Sivagasi in Tamil Nadu. And I actually thank my principal for having noted this wonderful capacity building FDP. On the outset, I am extremely thankful to the organizer, Dr. Deepak sir. I'm extremely thankful to you, sir, for having organized this program in a wonderful and nice manner without deviating from the exact program schedule. And as the head of the department, I know the difficulty of organizing programs, sir. But for the past 5 days, we really enjoyed all the sessions since they were organized in a very meticulous way. And that shows the skill of organizing and the leadership quality of Dr. Deepak, sir. I also thank all the organizing team members who have taken pains in organizing and pulling in or roping in so many very highly useful resource persons who have shown extremely, they have expressed their great knowledge and shared their resources with us without any hesitation. Especially, they have no hesitation in sharing their PPTs also. And right from the day one, right from the inaugural session, right up to this validity session, I enjoyed all the sessions. Especially, I want to make note of a few topics, especially regarding the research ethics and perspectives of effective teaching. And my area of interest is OBE, that is outcome-based education, which we have implemented in our campus after CBCS in 2018-19, sir. So that topic was very much useful to us. It was a self-explanatory one. The topics, the PPT, everything is self-explanatory. And especially, I want to thank Professor Deshpande. There is yesterday's session, which was very, very lively and interesting, sir. Thank you so much for the organizers once again. Thank you so much for NIT partner. Thanks for the opportunity to deliver this feedback, sir. Thank you so much.
Thank you,
Thank you, sir.
so much. Anyone else wants to share? Is there anyone to say?
Good afternoon, sir.
Good evening, sir.
Please. Go ahead.
Hello, good evening, sir.
Go ahead.
Sir, thank you so much. First of all, thank you so much for this organizing this type of course, sir. I Nitish Kumar, faculty in Department of Mechanical Engineering, NIT Patna. Sir, this is definitely fruitful for us, especially for the researcher scholar, because the lot of things we discuss in this capacity building program, sir, especially for the how to write the thesis and the research proposal and the plagiarism and the citation. All of things are the very fruitful for all the researchers, especially. So I will lastly especially thank for the Deepak sir and the such types of the course organizing in NIT Patna. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you again.
Sir, can I interrupt, sir? Excuse me, sir.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Proceed.
Yes, sir. Deshpande sir is there, sir.
No, he's in.
Okay, fine. No, just I wanted to share something with Deshpande sir. With regard to this, yesterday sir was just specifying, like in his while he was delivering his lecture, that what to say, he delivered the lecture at one place, but it was not satisfactory. So again, means because due to some reason. So today also, we had not today. During our course of in this particular college, we do have certain meetings with regard to this NAC. So with regard to the curricular aspects, I couldn't fulfill the thing what they actually needed, our what to say, the coordinators. So just I recollected Deshpande sir's thing, and just again I have what to say, I have again come back again. I have just what to say, just I put a little bit pressure to my brain. What went wrong? So I just corrected it. I think slowly by slowly I'm implementing that particular thing. So I think that is one of the particular fruitful interpretation of joining this particular FDP, that is this 5-day FDP. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. I will pass the information to Professor Deshpande.
Thank
Your
you,
message.
sir.
Okay.
Fine,
Anyone
fine,
else?
sir.
Sir, again, sir, myself, Sridhar, sir.
Please go
Hello,
ahead.
sir. Sir,
Please go ahead.
sir, you guys told us the one textbook, that one book, Ikai. One more,
Yeah, yes,
one more
yes.
book. Can you tell me, sir? That.
I will send it. I will send it. I will send it. I was quite
Okay,
busy
sir,
with all.
sir, one second. Okay, sir.
Yes.
So once again, thanks, sir, for your good support, sir. Really, a very good session from NIT Patna, and the risk you have taken, very good, sir. Okay, thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Thank you for
so
wonderful
much.
session, sir. Successful session, sir. So I hope I will be participating still if any continue for the other FD program, sir. I will be there to participate, sir. So thank you, sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Okay, sir. Right.
Yeah. I think, is there anyone to say, or we can move to the last part? I think we should move to the last. Yes.
Good afternoon, sir. I'm Satrajit. Firstly, thank you for allowing me in this program. We get to know so many new things about new teaching methods and research methods, which would be useful for all of us. And I wish that in future also such online events will be organized, because it makes the whole process accessible to many participants who reside at faraway places, and they get to learn from so many learned speakers in one event. So thank you for organizing this event, sir. Thank you, sir.
I think we have to stop somewhere. So before we wind up, I think let me tell you certain things. That at 5 o'clock we are going to share you the link, that is a Google link, and we are giving you, I think, enough time to send the file. Just submit the file, and there are certain things I have to also do it, like the attendance, then the marks I have to upload to the Hotel portal. Then you have the another task, that is the feedback section. So you need to go to the Hotel portal, then you just click that feedback, then put your opinion, you write there, you have to fill that feedback form, then you submit it. Then after a certain period, I think it will take 1 more day to get your e-certificate. But before that, I need to complete my task, that is the attendance and the marks. Then only you can see the feedback form. So maybe by Monday or maybe on Sunday, you can see the feedback forms. It will be open for all the participants. You can just fill it up, you can submit, and you can wait for 1 more day to get your e-certificate. I think this information is enough for all the participants, and it is, I think, it is clear for everyone. Now, I am thankful to the AICTE Teaching and Learning Academy, Director Dr. Ravindra Kumar Soni, then Dr. Giridhar Lal Garg, Assistant Director, and their coordinator team for approving and supporting this online 5 days faculty development program on capacity building, research methods, and effective teaching methodology, which was scheduled from 14 to 18, and now it has completed. And I'm also thankful to our Honorable Director, Professor Pradeep Kumar Jain, who have encouraged and extended his all support to organize this online workshop, online FDP. I'm also thankful to our Deputy Director, Professor Sureshkan Verma, for all his cooperation support. I'm also thankful to Head Department of Humanities and Social Science, NIT Patna, Dr. Ashish Ranjan Sinha, PI, Professor in charge MIS, Professor in charge IT, all deans, all heads, officers of this institute. My sincerest thanks to, I cannot ignore those, because my sincerest thanks to all the participants who have shown their interest and spared this 5 days online program and actively participated and make this event successful. And my special thanks to our coordination team headed by Mariam Sabreen and their team members Ajit Kumar, Salu Kumari, Talat and Sana. Without their support, without this program could not have completed. So with this, I have to conclude. And before I conclude, I will put a statement here that in academic, be a research scholar or a teacher, maybe a research scholar sometimes be a teacher. So it is the profession which create many professions. Remember, this is the profession which can create many professions. So we have to be responsible and we have to perform our own duties. With this, I think the journey of this FDP has to end somewhere. So it is the time now to say goodbye to all and stay home, stay safe. Thank you. Thank you to all.
Thank you, Deepak sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank
you.
you,
Thank
sir.
you.
Deepak sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much, sir. Deepak sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Sir, you belong to which place, sir?
Thank you, sir.
Deepak sir.